Everybody, welcome back out here to Somerset Place. For this week's artifact, we're going to be discussing the Bistoury knife here inside of the reconstructed hospital for the enslaved community. Now, there will be a doctor who came out here periodically, about once a month, to tend to patients as needed. And as part of his visits, he would sometimes have to perform surgeries. And so the Bistoury knife would be used for internal surgeries. So if somebody had a large kidney stone, or they needed to have a kidney, possibly a lung, or maybe your gallbladder removed, they would first cut you open with a scalpel, and then they would take this Bistoury knife, heat it up over the fireplace so it's nice and hot, and you'll see the curved blade here with a sharp blunt end and then a nice sharp edge. And this would be actually used to cut open your internal organs, and as it is cutting, it's also cauterizing at the same time to stop you from bleeding out. So then once they cut open your organ, they can remove that stone or cut around the organ to actually take that out from your body. Now, the cauterization of this tool here would help to keep it relatively clean, but the doctor, of course, would not be washing his hands very often. The concept of germ theory that we are so familiar with today was not understood at that time, and so blood poisoning and also infections could very easily set in after these types of surgeries, and so the actual survival rate probably wouldn't be very high. This tool is no longer used today. It has been replaced by lasers that can cut and cauterize at the same time and are much more efficient than this process would have been in the era. But if you come back out here to Somerset Place and take a guided tour, you'll get to actually venture inside of the hospital. We're going to talk a lot more about medical practices in the 1840s, and you'll get to see a lot more of the tools here in addition to the Bistoury knife. And so we hope to see you guys out here again real soon. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with our channel, and we hope to see you real soon. Thank you, guys.